Welcome to the MSRP CAD tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an account and get started with the civilian PED creation. You're going to go to cad.michiganstateroleplay.net. We'll bring you to this screen here. If you do not have an account already created with Sonoran CAD, you're going to want to click Create Account. It'll bring you to this direction here. You fill in the email, your desired username, and your password, and including your email preferences with yes, you do want emails, or no, you do not. Click Create. You're going to get this notification up here that's saying that it's been sent to your, and make sure you check your spam or junk folder. Make sure if you're using Gmail and you're using the tabs, click on Promotions, and here's your email. Click on it and click on Verify Email. Upon that, it'll bring you back to this login screen. Enter your email and password that you created, and then click Login. Upon that, you'll be taken to this screen. You're going to want to click on Join Community, and then the community ID is Michigan State Roleplay, all one word. Click Search or hit Enter. When you see this, you click Join. That gets you into the community. You click on this, it brings you into the Michigan State Roleplay CAD. As you can see, you have nothing here. In the permission key, you're going to want to type in civilian and press enter. It says it's been applied, and as you see, we now have the civilian menu. You click on civilian. If you have characters already created, you'll be able to see them here by clicking the drop down. In this case, it's a brand new account. We do not have anything. We're going to click new character. We're going to enter a first and last name. MI is middle initial. You're going to want to do a date of birth. You can click on this. Let's just go back to 2000. Sure. It automatically does the age, do your sex, and the also known as alias names, former names box. You're going to want to put your Discord name with the number. For any, if you were to change your Discord name, you're going to have to go through and update this on every person you've created that you're going to use. Place of residence, zip code is not required. Occupation, height, weight, skin tone, and you can do the drop down to do hair color and eye color. Emergency contact if you wish. And the DMV CAD under public lobby, there is a DMV license photos right here. Take a screenshot, snip it, whatever, put it into the, come in here and paste it, copy the link, right click on it and copy the link. If you come in here and click paste, and if the picture shows up, you're good to go. You click add, and now you have created your first character. In order to get licenses and vehicle registrations, you click on DMV, and here's your options, license and vehicle registration. In this case, we're going to do a license. We're going to make sure we set it to valid. If you leave it in pending, you do not have a valid driver's license, and if you were pulled over, you're going to be cited for not having a valid driver's license and possibly going to jail and or having your vehicle towed. If you want it set to expired or suspended, you're more than welcome to, but this is where you get your change it from pending to valid. Expiration date. In the information section of the DMV CAD, which is right here under public lobby, here's all the expiration dates. 4 years for the driver's license and CDL, 5 years for the CCW or the concealed carry. Hunting and fishing expires every year. Your off-road vehicle or ORV license and permits expire on March 31st. So if you were, let's say today's March 31st, you would have to buy another one on April 1st in 2 days. I'll show you. We'll do this here in a moment. And a boating license is every 90 days. Unless you have a valid driver's license, then it follows your driver's license's expiration. So we're going to go here. We're going to go 4 years in advance, and today's date is May 16th. And then that's all you have to enter. Click Add Record. You didn't get a red pop-up up here. That means there was no errors. That means it was accepted. If you want to double check, you click Records, refresh. I did this, and as you see, we have it in here. I have 2 of them because I forgot I already made one for this gentleman. So to do a off-road vehicle, you do license, you change it to ORV license. It's a valid license, and it's going to expire on March 31st, 2021. Add record. If you want to do a vehicle registration, make sure you switch this to valid. You may have to scroll down if your resolution is not as high. You want to pick a off-road. A license plate. It's a Can-Am. Sure. Red, black, 2017. Click Add Record. If you go back to our records and refresh, now we have 5, and here's our off-road vehicle. The biggest thing I can stress is when you're creating things in the DMV, whether it be pilots, concealed weapon, so on and so forth, is changing this from pending to valid. Failure to do this will lead you to be in trouble with law enforcement in the server. Secondly, having the expiration date. You must have the expiration date with that's proper that is proper in Michigan. That concludes the character creation and account creation within the Sonin CAD for MSRP. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to the DMV staff in the DMV Discord.